All right, hey guys. So the product that we're going to be talking about today is the Arctic Air Chill, and I already opened it up. And the first thing that you notice is the plug. It's about 4 to 5 feet in length. So let's just take this off so we can actually get access to the product itself. All right, so this is it, the Arctic Air Pure Chill as seen on TV UV light. All right, so once we have access to that, let's just take this out. It comes out of this little plastic bag right here. And now on these corners, one of the things that you'll notice is that it is taped up from side to side. So you got some tape on the flaps, which you need to remove, and you have some tape on the sides, which you need to remove, and that will grant you access to get to the actual place where you can put water. So there's some fans on the back as well. From what I've been feeling, the fans actually blow okay. So we're testing for a few things when we do this. Now on the top, you'll have two buttons that you can play around with, right? The one controls the actual fan speed, and the other one controls the colors. So once you pull off the tape, now you have access. What we're actually going to be looking for is to see how consistent the fan speed goes, the distance it can go to, and does it actually blow out cold air. So now that we've poured in our water, we're going to be doing two primary experiments, utilizing just water and utilizing water and ice, as I've seen some other people do, just to see how it goes. So once we make sure our plug is actually snug, let's just go ahead and turn this on. Okay, this is not too bad. If we just cycle through some of the colors just to see what we can get, I could see how this could be comfortable at night. Not the actual blower itself, but in all actuality, the color changing might be suitable at night. But in terms of blowing, let me just put my hand here. It isn't too bad. It feels. The problem is it feels very much like a fan blowing on me, right? I even cycled the water just to make sure that it was, actually cold water. But it just feels like a cool breeze. It doesn't really feel like anything that would make any kind of change to a large environment, right? Yeah, I think I might need to change this up and go with the other experiment and actually utilize some ice like I've seen some other people do. I will say though, I do like the color options, but if I'm buying an air conditioner, especially a portable air conditioner, that's what I'm buying it for, to get cold air. So let's run experiment number two, actually utilizing the ice. So now that we've poured our ice in there, let's cover this down, make sure it's nice and tight. All right, plug is in and turn this on. Okay, it is better. It is definitely better. You'll notice a difference once you put in some of the ice. The only issue is though, the room that I have this in right now is already air conditioned. So what it's doing is also cycling some of the cold air and then blowing out some of the cold air. If I were to take this to another room like I want to, and put this into a hotter room, I know this ice will melt within a few minutes, right? And it will blow out warm air, maybe a little bit cool because of the water, right? Other than that, though, this isn't anything. It's not anything special. If I had to give this a rating, I'd probably give this about a 2.5, maybe 3 out of 5. All right. It does do the trick if you're maybe in a smaller setting, like an office, and you have this directly in front of you, then I could see how this could be of some benefit. But if it's in a hotter room where you don't have access to air conditioning, this is not going to do the trick at all. But other than that, though, you let me know what you guys think. I hope this review does help, and I will see you guys for the next one. See ya.